Hi, we're from Group 6, and our update for this week is going to be about our solution in Module 3.
This week was a bit different for us Group 6 as we actually discussed a lot about the solution we plan to do. Therefore, we actually start to look at Module 3 in a way that looking for guideline rather than actual learning environments. Because at the moment, we're actually focusing on developing a framework, a service, and also a product. But we're glad that we had a meeting last Friday discussing about what should be the main activities, main list, and we have come with a solid solutions as well. We actually plan to establish an institution, but at the same time looking into this is more like a service. So, in what service we are talking about? It's a service that actually able to help us bridge the gap between high school students and higher education life, meaning that the skill that in between.
From our yesterday's meeting, we also talked about what sort of skills or training should we provide as our services, but it is something that we're gonna need more time to talk and discuss later on. And also, we're trying to find any institutions or centers that are similar to what we're trying to do right now and to look at how they operate, how they make profit, and what are their challenges, and see if we can learn or take something from them.
We're gonna dedicate the following week discussing about how we actually best draft the level and the content of skill that is needed between this transition period and develop into a curriculum, while still looking at bridging the importance of higher education as a core element of the service component. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Nan here again. So as you guys already know that we are focusing on institution as part of our solution to bridge the students from higher school to higher education and to eliminate the pain point. This week, after our discussion last Friday, we are listing down the skills, what kind of skills we should really focus on to if we are going to provide trainings, and in terms of what kind of training and what kind of skills we should really focus on. And we have to consider that we really need to focus on the skills and trainings that will be suitable for the students in Cambodia and Myanmar. We're also looking at some other similar institutions that provide education service and trainings to the students and how they operate and what kind of skills they really focus on, what are their objectives and goals, and how do they manage to survive, and how also how they earn money as well.